So welcome back to my channel. Today we want to check out a whole lot of stuff sent by Asus Malaysia, the ROG lineup of stuff. So before that, I want to say a huge thank you to JJ for actually making this possible. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be doing this today. So a huge thank you to him for actually sending this stuff over. And a huge thanks to Asus ROG Malaysia again for sending and sponsoring all of these items we're going to unbox and check out today. So I hope you guys like this video and let's get the video started. So as you guys can see, there's actually a whole lot of stuff for us to unbox and check out. So let's start with the smallest one and work our way up to the biggest box. So let's start out with this. This is the ROG PBT Double Shot Keycap set. So this ROG PBT Keycap set actually costs 149 ringgit. These PBT keycaps offer a premium feel with long-lasting durability because it is double shot PBT. So these keycaps have optimized stem height and mid-height profile to reduce the key wobble when typing. So you actually get some stabilizers that Asus includes if you want to put it into your keyboard. Other than that, you also get a black plastic keycap remover to remove keycaps from your keyboard if you want to replace the keycaps. So these keycaps do have shine through because they are double shot molded caps featuring the unique ROG legends for a stylish look and illumination. So this keycap set is also compatible with most keyboard layouts. If you want to check out more info on this keycap set, check the link down in the description below. Next, let's check this out. This is the ROG Scabbard II. It is retails for 199 ringgit. So what is so special about this mousepad? Well, for starters, it has military grade protection nano coating which provides a water, oil and dust repellent surface and ensures a smooth glide of your mouse. So you also get a few pieces of ROG stickers. These look pretty awesome in my opinion. On the sides, it has anti-fray flat stitched edges so it won't become very spoiled or messy after a few months of use. It will stay nice and tidy. So on the top left corner, you can actually see the name ROG Scabbard II. Really nice, it's printed into the fabric. And on the right side, you can see this stealthy ROG logo printed so it will mix into the mousepad. So this mousepad is actually 90 cm by 40 cm and I believe it's around 3 to 4 inches in thickness and they feel very soft and honestly the glide is impressive. So I'm actually really excited to check this out. This is the ROG Gladius III Wireless mouse. So it's 2.4 GHz capability and it also has Bluetooth and of course you can sync it with Aura Sync. So this mouse retails for 439 ringgit and on the back we can actually go through some of the features this mouse has. So it has a ROG micro switch inside with 0 click latency. And it actually has a hot swap socket so it's compatible with 3-pin or 5-pin optical micro switches. It has a 19,000 dpi optical sensor which you can tune up to 26,000 dpi. It has a lightweight body of only 89 grams. And also on the left side we have a laser engraved ROG aesthetic and on the back we have the Asus ROG logo that has RGB. So the mouse comes really neatly packed in this form. Let's just take it out. First thing you actually get is a Asus ROG warranty card. Second thing you get of course is the user manual of the mouse. So it teaches you how to change out the feet, what the buttons do and all of the features of the mouse and of course how to swap out the switches. You also get this really nice ROG sticker pack right here which is reflective. Oof, this looks really nice actually. So you also get this adapter right here with the Asus ROG logo on the front. It's a Type A to Type C adapter. In this little small pack right here, you actually get switches that you can swap out to if you want to try other ones and a little switch puller. In the pack, you also get extra mouse feet if the ones you are using are wore out or you just want to get new ones. You also get this, a Type A to Type C cable right here, which is really nice. It's a coiled cable and I think it feels pretty awesome. Now let's check out the mouse. So on the top, we can see the buttons, the scroll wheel right here. On the side, 2 programmer buttons and then the engraving. On the bottom, again, a whole lot of data. And on the top, we can see Bluetooth, off and 2.4 GHz mode. On the right side, you have a little ROG and a little bit of stripes. Let's turn it on. So there's actually 3 places with the Asus RGB. On the top here on the scroll wheel, on the back on the logo itself, and on the side with this little accent right here. So on the bottom of the mouse we can actually see a lot of stuff. You have the 4 gliding feet, you have the adapter right here for the 2.4 GHz mode. Let me just plug it out. Nice. Then you also have a profile switcher, and of course on the top we have the mode switcher for Bluetooth, on and off, and the 2.4 GHz mode. Overall really nice. I love the feel, and the glide is really awesome too. Now let's check out the headset. This is something that I'm really excited to because it is wireless. This is the Asus ROG Strix GO 2.4 and it retails for 749 ringgit. So on the top right, we can see that this is a Red Dot winner of 2020, which is a really good indicator. On the bottom right, we can see all of the qualifications and certs it has. And of course, it is wireless, so it has the 2.4 GHz dongle. Let's check it out. On the back, we can see how the headset looks like, and this is the 2.4 GHz dongle right here with the Asus ROG logo. You can go through all the specs if you want to, but honestly these are pretty nice. So what's included, we have everything here. I'm gonna unbox it now so we can check it out. So on the front here we can see welcome to the Elite ROG group, really nice. Then let's just open it up and we can see the headset. The headset actually comes in this carrying case, which is hard shell, really nice. So let's check out everything included with the headset. First thing I can see right here is actually just a little muffler for your microphone, so this will dampen any noise or any sound of any wind. Of course, you get your standard warranty card and you have the user manual for the headset. Now let's check out the headset itself. So there's actually more stuff included. Let's take everything out and go through them one by one. So I actually want to talk about the case for ROG. It's a hard shell case. As I mentioned, it has the Asus ROG logo on the front. Inside there we have all of the spots for everything given, and on the back we also have a little pouch if you want to attach anything. So one of the things included right here is a cable for charging. So we have a Type A to Type C charging cable. Second thing is an adapter for Type C to Type A for the 2.4 GHz dongle. Third cable included is actually a 3.5 to 3.5 male-to-male audio cable if you want to use it plugged in as wired. And of course you get the microphone, which is detachable, and you can actually equip the little foam on top. Last but not least, we have the 2.4 GHz dongle. Now let's check out the headset. So on the left and right side, we can see the embossed ROG logo and name. Honestly, they feel really awesome in my hands right now. The headset is really soft, so it will fit your ears nice. It has 40mm drivers inside. The foam on the top and on the ear cups are really soft, so they're really good for gaming. On the left side, we can see the Asus ROG logo. On the right, we can see the ROG logo again. And on the bottom of the right side, we can see the charging cable, the charging port actually. On the left, we can see a scroll wheel, on and off, and then the mode switcher, and then of course a 3.5mm jack. And on the front we can see a hole for the mic. First impressions, these are really nice, and I like that you can fold them up if you're going to travel. So this is the last thing we are going to check out today. I'm really excited because mainly my channel is based on keyboards, and this is the ROG Strix GO NX TKL gaming keyboard. Let's check it out. So this keyboard retails for 449 ringgit, and it's basically a full-size keyboard without the numpad. That's why it's called TKL. On the front of the box, we can see the keyboard itself, and then of course it has Asus Aura Sync, US English QWERTY layout, and it has a ROG NX Red mechanical switch inside. On the back of the box, we have a few specs. So the design of the top plate is actually sandblasted and brushed metal finish, so it's very shiny and looks nice. And you can choose for 3 options right here. I have the red switch version, so you also can choose brown tactile and blue clicky switches. Overall, really nice packing so far. Let me just take out the keyboard and everything in the box. In the first package, of course, you get your warranty card, your user manual right here, and a bunch of stickers again, really nice. Besides the paperwork, we also get this. This is a Type A to Type C cable, which is actually braided. They feel really solid, and it's actually gold plated too, really nice. So of course, this keyboard has full per key RGB lighting, which is really nice. It has media controls / function keys on the top, a detachable Type C cable, and you have a stealth key right there, which has a really neat feature. You got a quick toggle switch, the RGB logo by ROG, a few of the indicators right here on top of the up, down, left, right arrow keys, and it has an aluminium build, as I said. So on the bottom of the keyboard, we actually have an enlarged control key to help for FPS gaming, on the fly macro editing on the Alt key, and of course front RGB underglow, which looks awesome. So this is what the bottom of the keyboard looks like. We get adjustable feet right here on the left and right side. You get the Asus ROG logo, and these are a few feet to make it not slide around. This is the side profile of the switches. You can see the red switches right there. The front. So as I said, these are the red linear switches, which are really nice, and they come with Polestar stabs. First impressions, this keyboard feels very light but very high quality at the same time. Honestly, the build is kind of nice for this price. So that was it for this video, guys. It was really a lot of stuff to unbox and check out, but again, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. A huge thanks to Asus ROG Malaysia for actually sending and sponsoring these items. Some of them I really like, and I'm going to be using them every day from now on. So again, huge thanks to JJ and Asus for the items. So if you like this video, leave a like, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I have more content like this coming very soon. As always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.